Hello my friends, how's it going? We are on the floor today, yes, because, oh shit, because I'm bringing you an unboxing from Fantasmagoria. The box is here, you can see it, but my living room is not that big. I couldn't put the camera further than what it is right now. So you can see the box, but you will see me taking stuff out of it, which is the most important part. It's the unboxing itself. Yes, I tried something different today with my dead hawk hairstyle. I was mid-straightening it and it ended up like this and I was like, it's not that bad. So we are here today to open this box together and I'm gonna show you the little bits that I got from Fantasmagoria. I bought stuff from Rave and Killstar, so we are going to open it up together. It's pretty well known, I think, that I prefer to do those videos where it's a haul, where I review stuff. But for some reason you guys seem to like unboxings a lot, seeing by my most popular fashion video. And although on that Demonia unboxing that I did, I also threw in there a review of it, so it's not only my first impressions of it, it's also the review of them. That's not what I'm going to do in this case. We are going to unbox and later on in the video I'll make a review more detailed and, you know, my usual review of the items. So don't worry, I'm gonna review these guys when I don't know, I don't ever have a date. I never work on time, so let's stop with shenanigans and let's open this puppy up. Haha! Oh, I'm so sorry. I hope my microphone didn't just die completely from that slap that I did on the floor with the flap of the box. Okay, so first things first. Ooh, okay, so I think this is the skirt. Okay, oh my god. I hope it's way more fluffier than what it appears right now. Oh, it has a lot of tulle. Let's see. Oh, I hope this fits. Oh, okay, so it's very elastic. It has a lot of stretch. Okay, I think my waist will fit nicely here. I had an outfit in mind that I got an inspiration from the internet. I was eyeing a kimono from Rave for some time. I bought the kimono, but to pair with the kimono I was a little bit confused what would I pair it with. So I was thinking pants, but what kind of pants? Do pants look good with kimonos? But then I found this skirt, I found an inspiration with a kimono and a skirt, a puffy, fluffy skirt, and I was like, yes, okay, I like that outfit, so I need a puffy, fluffy skirt. I also like the Lolita style, so I thought of these as an item that I can use for a future Lolita look. There's a lot of styles that I would like to try, steampunk, gothic Lolita. A lot of them, but you have to have specific items of those specific styles, and a lot of them are not everyday friendly. I mean, you can use them every day because, you know, you do you, but a lot of people will look at you like, who's that crazy person dressed like a doll or dressed like it came from the Victorian era, you know? But yeah, so I would love to try those outfits. So this skirt, it's kind of that thing that could go for gothic Lolita as well, I think, if it's puffy and it has enough volume. I think so. It has a lot of layers. As I'm seeing right now, it has a lot of tulle and lace layers. And I also have a petticoat, so I'm praying that if paired with the petticoat, it can get even more of that cupcake skirt volume. Although my petticoat doesn't make a cupcake volume, does more of an A-line volume. A-line volume. But okay, I'm gonna try to make it work. The skirt. It's like this. It's a little bit wrinkly because it all came, you know, close and compact inside a package. I can insert pictures here of what it looks like on the website. It's cute. I like it. I can't wait to try it on. Ooh, oh my god, what's coming next? It's the flyaway harness from Killstar. Oh my god, yes, I was so excited for these. How do I open? Oh my god, I hope this fits me. I bought the smallest size, obviously. Oh my god, it's so cool. It has wings. When I told my mom I had bought an harness with wings, she totally judged me with those angry, grown-up eyes of disappointment, thinking, why is my daughter this weirdo who refuses to grow up? But you can't say I'm wrong. Being an adult sucks, and having wings, it's super fucking amazing, dude. Look at that. I was showing this in a very weird way, I know. Look, an harness, okay, but with wings that sprout from your back. Man, that's amazing, that's fantastic, come on. I mean, the wings are removable, right? Yes, they are removable, so if I don't want to look as much of a weirdo as I already do, okay, but the wings are amazing. They are squishy, you know, you can feel there's some kind of foam inside, but I mean, I can bend them a little bit, but they seem to retain their shape fairly well. I can't wait to try this on. Oh my god, I'm gonna look so cool with wings, yeah! I'm gonna look even more the Dragonborn. Oh yeah, then I'm going to play Skyrim with this. Okay, so what's coming next? Oh, I think this is a shirt. Wait, what is this? Oh, it comes with an extra button. That's nice. When I saw this shirt, it was like love at first sight. I looked at it and I was like, ah, it's beautiful, it's velvet. I've been a lot into velvet lately. I bought a velvet dress from Killstar. I'm using velvet pants right now. This kind of shirt here, it's velvety. Dude, but velvet is so beautiful. And I saw a dress from Restyle that's made with velvet too. It's so pretty. I looked at it, I was like, oh my god, I want this. But at the same time, I've been buying too many clothes. And I have to put a stop to it, otherwise I will never save enough money to buy better lights than what I have right now, and a better camera, and better microphone, and better everything, better equipment. It's a shirt, and it reminds me of that shirt that I have from Punk Rave, that I reviewed it in a alternative fashion haul, that I can put the link here on the eye. I don't know which side it is. I first found this on Kate's Clothing, but I saw Fantasmagoria was selling it as well, so you know, one-stop shop, I love it. I don't know if you can see, but it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. It has a little bit, should I say tail on the back, you know, it comes a little bit further down than on the front. It has a pattern like a damask design. It has a cut here at the back, so some of your back will show in this little cut hole here. It fastens at the front with this little button. I'm gonna put an image, you will see. It has a little brush, I don't know how you call this. Is it upside down? Oh no, it is. Oh no. It's not upside down, it's like the other way around. Basically, this should have been like this. And it's not, it's the other way around. It's facing backwards. This little pendant here under the actual, you know, thing. But I think it's easily fixable. I just have to open up this ring that connects the two parts and then just carefully turn it and close it again. On the back it has kind of a corset lacing, which is nice as well, so you can adjust it to your waist. I like clothes that let you do that. Overall, I just thought this shirt was so beautiful and amazing, and I can't wait to find stuff to wear with this. Next. Oh, next it's the necklace. I bought the skeleton key necklace from Killstar. I was looking for... first, I love keys and skeletons plus keys. Yeah, totally my vibe. Okay, so it's not as long as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to fall a little longer, so it will sit like a long necklace with a little key at the end. But it's very pretty. Hey, it's stuck. Hey, what's going on? It's stuck. Oh no. It's stuck like one of the rings got stuck on another one that got stuck on like the big thing that connects to the key. So now it's all stuck. Maybe if I push this. The thing is, I don't like to make much force with new things because I don't want to break them, but it's stuck. Dude, let go, it's mine. Sometimes I feel like they choose the worst stuff to send me. Okay, oh my god, I did it. I just took these pliers that have a very small tip and just pushed it so the rings that were stuck would unstuck themselves. Okay, so I got up to show you this beauty. Oh my god, I've been eyeing this for so long. It's so beautiful. It's very thin in this part here. but I love the skull. It's incredible. I just thought it would be longer, but I mean, I don't have that much of a long figure, so it will probably sit more or less long on me, probably like this. We'll see. I think it will look good. Yay! This is the kimono. Oh no, what's this? Everything that I buy, sometimes I feel like this didn't pass on a quality control. Unless other people have lower standards than me, I don't know. But okay, so the kimono has two parts. It's like the kimono itself and then a little corset belt thing. But this belt, what is this? It seems like it was sitting closely to something that had a little bit of paint. So then some scuff marks, paint appeared here. It's very noticeable. No. Does it bother me a little bit? Yes. Because I expect stuff to arrive in pristine condition. For the price that they are, I wouldn't expect any less. I don't know if the lighting will let me show you. Okay, okay, now you can see that. Look at that. That's like a little bit of paint that got stuck in this leather part of the belt. This is not real leather, fake leather, you know, but I just say leather because to facilitate everyone's lives. Okay, so the belt. Let's see the kimono itself. Oh my god, it's massive. This material seems a lot thinner and flimsy than what I was expecting. The sleeves are huge. Oh my god, I feel this won't be that kind of cloth that I can show you properly without being on. I can put a picture here. Okay, let me get up, otherwise I don't think this will work. Why did I choose this fabric? Can you see? No, maybe you cannot see it very well. It has two fabrics. It has this one with a little bit of a pattern in this part. You can see it. If I show it in the light, you can see it. Yeah, this fabric, it's good. It has a nice consistency. It was what I was expecting the overall of the kimono to be made of. But then they have this black textured fabric. My camera will probably not capture it very well, but it's see-through. I can literally see my camera from this side, and I don't think it should be that way. How will I show you? You can see our hand? You can see our hand here, look at that. Yeah, look at my leg, you can see my leg. This is very see-through, I wasn't expecting this to be so see-through. What's going on? I'm a little bit disappointed. I was expecting to be this very cool, amazing fabric. Like this is kind of an epic kimono. I was expecting epic fabric to match. How? Punk Rave has so many cool fabrics. How did they not have any better than this? I'm a little bit pissed. Okay, I'm glad that I bought this while it was on sale, otherwise I would be very pissed. But maybe when I try it on, it will look better. So I guess all of this will come down to the point where I'm going to try it on and see if... Let me just sit. I'm here in a very uncomfortable position. Why do I feel like I always choose the worst days to record? I swear to God, the last video that I recorded, which was my Skyrim episode, it was a day like this. It was raining, maybe even more clouds in the sky, so they would cover even more the light of the sun. I like to record with natural sunlight because I don't have a very good set of lights to illuminate well like all the rooms, so I always pair my lights with natural sunlight. And then when it's summer, it's so much easier to record because you have that bright sunlight coming from outside, entering your space and illuminating all the room. When it's winter, you know, the clouds cover the sun and we get a very dim light. It's not good. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt to record with natural light in the winter. When I recorded my last Skyrim episode, it was a day like this, and on the next day it was no clouds in the sky, so we had a lot more light coming in. I swear to Taos, if tomorrow it will be a clear sky day all day, I'm gonna get pissed. I'm getting pissed at a lot of things. About the items, I haven't tried them on, I will, and you will see the try-ons on the future video where I'll show you the review, but my first impressions right off the bat are I like the skirt. Everything seems to fit from, what I can see. I think the sizes of all these items were something that would fit XS to S. And I'm on that range normally, so at least when I'm buying shirts. The skirt seemed to be with my measurements as well, so I just went with it. Everything that I bought from Killstar, which was necklace and harness, no issues. Everything seems to be in perfect condition. I really like the harness, very impressed. I really like the necklace as well. I really like the necklace, it's so beautiful. This shirt from Punk Rave, the velvet, it's amazing, it's not see-through. So this one, I'm very happy with the shirt and the skirt as well. I really like the layers of the skirt, it has a lot of layers, so I'm expecting volume, which is what I wanted. I'm a little bit disappointed in the item that I was looking forward the most. Like, I was eyeing this kimono for so long, more than 1 year, and I think it's the biggest disappointment of this unboxing. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I will try it on, I will iron it probably because it's very wrinkly. And yeah, but this see-through material right off the bat doesn't look as good as the pictures make them look. Well, what do you think? Do you have any of these items? If so, please tell me in the comments below. Tell me your experiences with them. And yeah, you can look forward to a review of these items and some other items that I have from Punk Rave, Killstar, and some on the budget finds. I have a lot of ideas for videos, man. I've been enjoying recording my gameplay videos lately, but I have a lot of ideas for my fashion videos. You can look forward to that. Maybe in the future I'll make them, I don't know when. Or you can have an idea of what I'm cooking up. You can smell what the Metzli is cooking. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe, don't forget there's also the notification bell icon that you can click to get notifications whenever I upload. I'm very cringy sometimes. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Peace, bye!